Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some new Penguin Palace stamps in stock for you. So I'm going to share what I have on the Penguin Palace. I have some new designs, so very exciting. I am loving their stamp set. And for my free with 60, since my Christmas in July sale is going on right now, the Sassy Santa will pop into your cart if you spend $60 or more. So if you load your cart up with $66, then you can add your discount code Jamie for 10% off. And this will pop in once your cart reaches $66. And then the coordinating die you'll get for free if you spend $100. So if your cart reaches $110, you'll see this pop into your cart. And then you can add your discount code. So for the Christmas in July sale, it's everything in the holiday section. You'll see 35% discount in your shopping cart when you add any of those items to your cart. And some of those items are on sale, and plus you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off. So don't miss out on those awesome deals going on through the end of July. So I started to play with the stamp set because I thought it was really going to be great for like backgrounds. So there's a front of the car and there's the back of the car, and then there's the front of the characters in the back. So I thought this would be so cute to do like sunset scenes, night scenes, like looking up at the stars, or like not a galaxy scene, but like a Northern Lights scene, or they could be parked by the lake or the beach. Just like so many options, and I thought this would be really, really fun. And there is some sentiments in here, so you can make like, congratulations to the bride and the groom kind of card. So we've got just married, bon voyage, I love you, sweet XOXO, happy wedding, wishing you a, and then there's an awesome ride, honeymoon, a fun-filled day. So I thought that was really cute. Let's see, I started to color up the car. So I made it red. And then if I'm going to do the Northern Lights sky, I'm going to like add some like color to the window, like the lights reflecting off the window. So I'm going to have fun playing with that. So this one is called Hot Mama, and it's so cute because it's a little mermaid taking a bath in a sink. Isn't that cute? So I saw from their design team, someone created like, this is a farm sink, and they made cabinets and like a little kitchen, and it's so cute. So there's some dishes and a little bubble, and the sentiment reads, Hot Mama, it's time to drop the dishes and chill. Wash your worries away. That cute? Another small set, the Get Well Soon, the two little mermaids. So we've got one that's sick with a little thermometer, and then this one looks like she's getting better. So little hearts and a rose. We've got a sentiment, Get Well Soon. Hope this get well wish brings a smile to your face. You are too beautiful to be feeling down. Sending recovery, good thoughts your way. And I thought this was so cute. And Halloween's coming. This is perfect. It's called Spooky Halloween. And these little characters are just so cute. And then there's a little gravestone, a little bat, a cauldron. And that's a cute sentiment with all the little stars and stuff around it. Happy Halloween. Eat, drink, and be scary. Trick or treat and boo. I might have to play with that one. There's a congratulations, and this is very big congratulations. So that's really nice. And then you can pair up with all these other sentiments with the congratulations or the bravo and then the hooray. So we've got on your big achievement, on your engagement, on your promotion, well deserved, on your new home, on becoming a dad, on becoming a mom, on a job well done, on your new baby, on your marriage. Great work. I'm so proud of you. On your graduation, I'm truly happy for you. On becoming first-time parents, on your hard-earned success. So this is an awesome one to have in your stash. I like that. We've got Cuddly Sheep's Season Greetings. So we've got some cute little sheep with decorating the tree. These two are snuggling up with their scarves entwined. And then the sentiments. Merry Christmas. May your Xmas be bright, white. Season's greetings. Happy holidays. And then there's little elements to play with and create a little scene. This one's back in stock. This one's super cute. Summer Sunshine. Jen from Scrapina Creations on the design team created a couple cards with this. Really super cute. Love this one with the little girl eating the watermelon, the little cat on the lounger. This one's got the inner tube. And there's this cute little cat eating the sundae. There's a surfboard, a little island, a little ice cream cone, like a table, palm tree. There's a little coffee drink or lemonade, a sun, a cloud, a seashell, and a beach ball. So the sentiments read summer, sun-kissed, and seize the day. And this one's super cute. I love this one as well. It's called Rabbit Cafe. And I just love the girl with the latte, and then these two cute little bunnies. One's a server and one's drinking his iced coffee. And then you got your cafe and the little night light, the table with the umbrella and the chair. And then there's some coffee and sweets and a little banner. And sentiments read, beautiful day, coffee lovers, stay sweet. And then we've got Fun Adventure, which is really cute. You've seen some really cute cards with this. Look at the little dog with the girl reading the map. There's mountains and clouds. Camera, a luggage, the girl carrying the luggage, and the dog snapping some pictures. And some fun elements. Let's go adventure and bon voyage. Hedgehog in love. Super cute. Love the two hedgehogs looking off into the distance. You could create a really cute scene with that, with the night skies, the stars, the sunset. Really cute. And then these two. He's giving her flowers. Looks like she wants to give him a smooch. We've got happy anniversary. Hi there. There's a speech bubble that you can use to put your sentiments in. Sending hedgehogs. Thinking of you. I love you. Missing you. Smooch. And with lots of love. The penguin agenda is super fun. So you get these cute little penguins. Great for planners. Great for cards. There's little smiley faces. And ping me anytime. How are you feeling? So that's really, really fun. Take a break. So these mermaids are chilling out, doing different things here. So she's got her laptop in bed, eating some chocolate. There's some wine and champagne. This girl's got glasses on with a latte cup, and she's eating a pizza. We've got recharge, pamper yourself, my friend, take a break, enjoy life. Sometimes it's okay to do nothing. Learn to relax. You deserve the best. What's fun about these mermaid ones is you can interchange them and do a little scene. This one is called Let's Catch Up and Go Shopping. And this one's working out. This one's doing yoga. And then we've got just saying hello. I miss shopping, exercising with you. May your day be filled with smiles. And let's go and let's catch up. We've got Let's Get Crafty, which is really super cute. Look at the cat looking up at the painting, or you could have him looking up at the painting. There's some splatter with the little paint bottle there. The little pot of paintbrushes. We've got the sentiments that say, you are the color of my life. Let's get crafty. You inspire me. Art. And I'll paint a sun to warm your heart. Then we've got It's Your Day. So we got different characters. This one is doing a photo shoot. This one's glamming it up. She's got a brush and a blow dryer. This one's a chef. Here's the cook and the waiter. And then we've got You Deserve the 5-star celebrity treatment. Glam up, indulge, click click, happy birthday, and it's your day. And the cute unicorns. We've got An Amazing Friend. These 2 cute unicorns carrying the cake. There's a little present. The sentiments read, you are an amazing friend. You are likely my twin sister, or you could put brother. Someone I love was born today, and happy birthday. And then these 2 could be interchanged together. We've got Birthday Unicorn. This one's taking a cupcake off of that platter of cupcakes. And then there's a birthday hat that you can use. There's this little cute unicorn holding the balloons. There's a cake, and this one with the cupcakes and the confetti. We've got Make a Wish, Let's Party, wishing you a very happy birthday, congratulations, time to celebrate with plenty of cakes. So I am loving the Penguin Palace stamps. They are so cute. I will leave the link down below to the section in the shop, and I'll also leave the holiday section so you can grab yourself some really great goodies at a great discount. Thanks guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!